Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this deep dive into Apache Santuario, a powerful Java library for XML security. In this video, we'll explore its core features, architecture, and real-world applications. Whether you're securing web services or protecting sensitive data, Santuario provides the tools you need to implement robust XML security. Before diving into Santuario, let's understand why XML security is crucial. XML is widely used in web services, identity federation, and data exchange. Securing XML documents ensures data integrity, authenticity, and confidentiality, which are essential for compliance and trust in digital communications. Apache Santuario implements two key W3C standards, XMLDSig for digital signatures and XMLEnc for encryption. These standards define how to create and validate signatures, as well as how to encrypt and decrypt XML content. Understanding these standards is essential for leveraging Santuario effectively. Santuario offers a comprehensive set of features for XML security. It supports the creation and validation of XML signatures, encryption and decryption of documents, and integration with Java's cryptographic providers. These features make it a versatile tool for developers working with XML security. Santuario's architecture is designed for flexibility and performance. It provides both DOM-based and streaming APIs, allowing developers to choose the approach that best fits their application's needs. The library also supports various canonicalization methods and integrates seamlessly with JAXB and Java security providers. One of Santuario's key architectural decisions is the choice between DOM and streaming APIs. The DOM API is ideal for applications requiring detailed XML manipulation, while the streaming API is optimized for processing large documents with minimal memory overhead. Choosing the right API depends on your application's specific needs. Santuario supports a wide range of cryptographic algorithms, including RSA, DSA, and ECDSA for digital signatures, and AES and triple DES for encryption. It also supports HMAC for message authentication. The library's extensibility allows developers to integrate additional algorithms through Java security providers. Canonicalization is a crucial step in XML signature processing, ensuring that XML documents are represented consistently before signing. Santuario supports several canonicalization methods, including C14N and exclusive C14, and these methods help prevent signature validation issues caused by insignificant whitespace or attribute order differences. Effective key management is essential for XML security. Santuario provides APIs for key resolution and management, supporting X509 certificates and integration with Java key stores. These features enable secure key lifecycle management, from generation to storage and retrieval. Security is at the heart of Santuario's design. It includes secure validation modes to prevent attacks like XML signature wrapping, configurable security policies, and robust certificate validation support. These features help developers implement best practices for XML security in their applications. Performance is a key consideration for enterprise applications. Santuario's streaming API enables efficient processing of large XML documents, while lazy parsing and validation reduce memory overhead. These optimizations make it suitable for high-throughput, low-latency environments where performance is critical. Santuario integrates seamlessly with other Apache projects, enhancing its utility in enterprise environments. It works with Apache WSS 4J for WS security, Apache CXF for web services, and Bouncy Castle for extended cryptographic support. This integration makes it a cornerstone of the Apache Web Services ecosystem. One of the most common use cases for Santuario is securing SOAP messages in web services through WS security. By integrating with Apache WSS 4J, developers can easily add digital signatures for integrity and encryption for confidentiality. This ensures that sensitive data remains protected as it travels across networks. Santuario is also widely used for securing SAML assertions in identity federation systems. By digitally signing SAML assertions, identity providers can ensure their authenticity and integrity. This is crucial for establishing trust in federated identity systems where multiple parties rely on shared identity information. In the healthcare industry, protecting patient data is paramount. Santuario's XML encryption capabilities are used to secure patient records and ensure compliance with regulations like HIPAA. By integrating with healthcare systems, it helps organizations protect sensitive information while maintaining interoperability. Getting started with Santuario is straightforward. Begin by adding the Maven dependency to your project, then explore the DOM and streaming APIs. Familiarize yourself with XML signature and encryption basics, and practice with sample applications to build your expertise. To create XML signatures using the DOM API, start by parsing your XML document. Then, create an XML signature factory instance and define the signature and reference elements. Finally, sign the document and validate the signature to ensure its integrity and authenticity. For large XML documents, the streaming API offers significant performance benefits. Using Syntax, it processes XML step by step, minimizing memory usage. This approach is ideal for enterprise applications that handle large volumes of data and require efficient processing without compromising security. XML encryption with Santuario involves encrypting XML elements or entire documents using the XMLEnc standard. The library supports both symmetric and asymmetric key encryption, allowing developers to choose the approach that best fits their security requirements. Decryption is performed using the corresponding keys. Santuario allows developers to define secure validation modes and configure cryptographic algorithms to meet specific security requirements. Certificate validation can be set up to ensure trust, and security settings can be customized to align with organizational policies and compliance standards. Certificate validation is a critical aspect of XML security. Santuario supports X509 certificates and integrates with certificate chains for comprehensive validation. By validating certificates against trusted certificate authorities, it helps protect against certificate misuse and ensures the authenticity of signed documents. XML signature wrapping is a known attack vector where malicious content is inserted into signed XML documents. Santuario provides secure validation modes and reference validation checks to prevent such attacks. Following best practices for signature design further enhances protection against these vulnerabilities. To optimize performance with Santuario, consider using the streaming API for large documents and enabling lazy parsing and validation to reduce memory overhead. Optimizing cryptographic operations and monitoring performance metrics can further enhance efficiency in high-throughput environments. For applications requiring extended cryptographic support, Santuario integrates seamlessly with Bouncy Castle. This integration provides access to additional algorithms and enhances security capabilities, making it a powerful combination for developers working on advanced security solutions. When working with XML security, debugging and troubleshooting are essential skills. Enable detailed logging to track processing steps. Use validation tools to verify signatures, check canonicalization settings for consistency, and verify key and certificate configurations to ensure proper security setup. Implementing XML security effectively requires following best practices. Use strong cryptographic algorithms, regularly update certificates, validate all inputs and signatures, and adhere to established security standards and guidelines. These practices help ensure robust protection for your XML-based applications. When choosing an XML security library, it's important to compare options. Santuario stands out for its integration with the Java ecosystem, comprehensive feature set, and active community support. Comparing it with alternatives like XMLSec can help you make an informed decision based on your project's needs. The Apache Santuario community provides extensive resources for developers. Official documentation, community forums, and mailing lists offer valuable support. The GitHub repository includes issue tracking and sample applications, making it easier to get started and contribute to the project. As XML security continues to evolve, so does Apache Santuario. The project is actively maintained with ongoing development, support for emerging standards, performance enhancements, and integration with modern frameworks. Its future looks promising as it adapts to new security challenges and technological advancements. To solidify your understanding, let's walk through a hands-on example. We'll create a simple application that signs and encrypts XML documents, validates signatures, and tests with sample data. This practical exercise will help you apply Santuario's features in a real-world context. For advanced users, Santuario offers customization options like custom canonicalization methods and integration with custom security providers. Handling complex XML structures and performance tuning for scale are other advanced topics that can help optimize your security implementations. Deploying Santuario in enterprise environments requires careful consideration of scalability, performance tuning, and security policy enforcement. Integration with existing systems and robust monitoring and logging strategies are also crucial for maintaining security and operational efficiency. Regular security audits and compliance with industry standards are essential for maintaining trust. Conducting penetration testing for XML security, documenting security practices, and generating compliance reports help ensure that your implementations meet the highest security standards. In the financial services industry, Santuario plays a critical role in securing transactions and ensuring compliance with regulations like PCI DSS. Integration with banking systems and protection against fraud and tampering are key use cases that demonstrate its value in high-stakes environments. Government systems often handle classified information, requiring robust security measures. Santuario helps protect sensitive data, ensures compliance with government standards, integrates with secure communication protocols, and maintains audit trails for accountability. In summary, Apache Santuario is a powerful library for implementing XML security in Java applications. It supports both XML signature and encryption standards, offers flexible APIs for performance and control, and integrates seamlessly with the Java ecosystem. Whether you're securing web services or protecting sensitive data, Santuario provides the tools you need. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Apache Santuario. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow developers. Don't forget to comment with your questions or topics for future videos. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for the community. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.